If you've been dreaming about your next Lexus or thinking about joining the Lexus family for the first time, visit the Lexus of Orange Park website to locate the vehicle of your dreams and build it out to reach the payments that you're looking for. Select the model. I'm in the market for an IS300, and that Nebula Gray Pearl is calling my name. Once you have a car picked out, a Start My Purchase window will appear in your view. Choose lease or finance to begin. Today we're going to cover how to walk through financing a vehicle and adjusting the parameters of your purchase. You can even adjust the amount of money you would like to put down. Next, select the range of your credit score. After that, choose your financing period. I'm selecting 72 months, which would allow me to pay my new ride off in 6 years. Now hit continue. Update your taxes and fees by entering in your zip code. This view now has a breakdown of your estimated monthly payment. Check this out, I'll be riding around in my new 2019 Nebula Gray Pearl IS300 for an estimated $611 a month. If you'd like to make adjustments, select Set Payment Terms to adjust your credit standing or the method of financing terms to see how it adjusts your payment. Or if you're ready to move on, select Value My Trade-In if you have one. In this window, fill out the year, make, model, and trim of your trade. Let us know if your trade was a purchased vehicle or maybe it's your current lease. Input the current mileage of your vehicle and select Continue. Let us know the condition to get a more accurate trade-in value and select Continue. Be sure to select additional options that may be included on your trade and then select Continue. If you're still making payments, select Yes, I still owe money on this vehicle, and input the current loan balance that remains, and then click Continue. Your Kelley Blue Book value will be displayed along with a value range. Select Apply and Continue. You can now see your estimated monthly payment has updated to $421 a month. You now have an idea of what your dream car's monthly payment will look like, and it's just that easy. Next, input your contact information and the preferred method of contact, whether that be email, call, or text. Hit Send Progress now. If you want to come in and test drive the car of your dreams, go ahead and schedule a test drive for the date and time that works best for you. Or you can skip this step if you're not sure when you have availability. If you want to save more time before coming into the dealership, go ahead and apply for credit now. You can schedule a test drive and apply even before stepping foot into the showroom. Access the estimated payments that you've just built by clicking View Full Finance Breakdown. Wow, what a great payment. You can always swap to a different vehicle and adjust terms on the calculator, or adjust the terms with your sales associate at your next visit to Lexus of Orange Park. Hit the X in the top left of your page to get back to gazing at your dream car. Well, what are you waiting for? Go see what your dream car's payments will look like at www.lexusoforangepark.com.